Hi, it's me again with Corel Drills Tips and Tricks. Little quick video. I mentioned in one of these videos that, instead of doing a yellow box trick that you have to do, and then a lot of times you have to go order back a page, and then sometimes the stuff, if you move some stuff inside there, back a page, it's behind the yellow. So the best thing to do, and I've done a video on this before, but it's changed up a little bit in later version. This is Corel 2022. So go to Tools, Options, Customization, and go over here to Documents, and right here to Background, and we're going to make it solid, and we're going to make it a light yellow, and then say OK. The good thing about this is when you're working with this, you can't put anything behind there because that's not a layer, it's a color. So when we wanted to, and also, two things. If your logo is real big, my page is real little. I'm using somebody else's page, so let's go 40 by 28, size of the laser, my laser. And then when you move stuff out of the way, the white or the transparent shows up, and even the white shows up. So you could, not have to worry about, I can't put this behind that layer because this isn't a layer, it's the color of your document. So it's a pretty, like right here, I can go Object, Order, only front of page because it's on the back of the page. But if we move it out of the way and I go Object, Order, back of page, it doesn't go anywhere because the yellow is your whole sheet. So you can't, I love the yellow box trick, but a lot of times it'll get in the way and you have to lock it, when you're trying to, let's just do something real quick. Go to Order, back of page. And when you're trying to grab something, you're going to grab the yellow first. And so this way with the whole page, the color. And I've got another video on that in an earlier version how it's a little bit different if this is a little confusing. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.